Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Dubsado scheduler, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you find the embed code for your Dubsado calendar scheduler? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get the embed code for your Dubsado scheduler anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're doing consulting, you can embed your Dubsado calendar scheduler on your website so your users can go in there and schedule an appointment. But you're going to need the HTML embed code. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the embed code for one of your calendar schedulers, here on the left side, you're going to click on templates. Once you do that, you want to click on scheduler. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the scheduler calendars that you have set up. So go ahead and choose the one that you want to embed on your website. So for example, this one right here. And then you're going to click on this little chain link thing. Okay, once you do that, you're going to look for this iframe code. So this is the code that you need to embed your scheduler calendar from Dubsado on your website. So you can easily just go ahead and copy it. And once you copy it, you can go ahead and embed the code into your website or forward it on to your web developer. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get the embed code for your Dubsado scheduling calendar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.